In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make it night here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now you can make it night, but at the exact same time you can't make it night. This is kind of an interesting topic for a video, I would say, because you cannot manually change free roam tonight because the open world time is synced for everyone online. However, you can drive exclusively in night by either setting up a custom race or playing a custom race. To do this, go ahead and just open up the, pause menu or go to a race that you've already completed, for example. And this could be races around the free roam map as well. And it's going to be blurred out for me since I haven't actually done this race yet. But essentially, you could select custom race right here. And then once you go ahead and do this, you can actually open up the event settings. And from here, you can change the time of day to night, dawn, or whatever option you want. After that, confirm it, choose your car, start the race, and it's going to take place at night. If you want something closer to night free roam, you can also use the event lab. If you just pause your game, go to creative hub, and then you can go into event lab just like so. And you can play challenges, play specific events, make specific events as well. You just got to make sure that you search for anything with like night in the title, or if you're making your own event, you put night in your time as well. But that's really the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.